The well-known U.S. astrophysicist Neil deGrasse Tyson once warned in an interview that space is full of mysteries that will challenge our understanding. Voyager 1, launched by NASA, has already found over 775 unknown objects flying through space. After traveling for 45 years, the probe continues to send back astonishing data that consistently surprises researchers. Even after all these years, Voyager 1's discoveries are beyond expectations. In an interview, Neil deGrasse Tyson said, "Once you're outside the zone, it's not clear if much will change for you because you're kind of wandering through interstellar space at that point. If we find something other than nothing, then that will be interesting." Voyager 1 crossed the boundary from our solar system to interstellar space in August 2012, marking a significant milestone in space exploration. Tyson's quote highlights the fact that interstellar space is an area that remains largely unknown to us, and any discoveries made there will be a big surprise. For the first time in history, we are now receiving measurement data from this mysterious interstellar medium, a vast and largely unexplored region that fills most of the universe. Scientists have long speculated about what this space might be like, but it was only after Voyager 1 crossed into interstellar space that we started to get a clear picture. This discovery opened up entirely new avenues of research. The interstellar medium is known to be made up of ionized gases, remnants of exploded stars, and possibly even the structures that hold the universe together. The Voyager probes were originally launched with a mission to explore Jupiter and Saturn. This mission was designed to last for only a few years, but in the mid-1970s, a unique planetary alignment between Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune presented NASA with a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. The positions of these planets, which occur only once every 175 years, allowed the probes to take a route that would minimize the fuel required to travel far beyond the planets. The probes were launched in 1977, with their main goal being to study Jupiter and Saturn, and Voyager 1 was tasked with traveling through the outer solar system. What made these twin spacecraft special was the idea of using a gravity assist from the planets to increase their speed without using additional fuel. This helped reduce the flight time to Neptune from 30 years to just 12 years. However, both Voyager 1 and Voyager 2 performed so well that NASA quickly expanded the mission to explore Uranus and Neptune. Voyager 2 became the first spacecraft to photograph and study Uranus in 1986 and Neptune in 1989, providing valuable data about these planets and their moons. Meanwhile, Voyager 1 was on its way to the heliopause, the boundary between our solar system's influence and the vast interstellar space beyond. This milestone is significant because it marked the transition from the solar wind to the unknown forces of interstellar space. In August 2012, Voyager 1 officially crossed the heliopause and entered interstellar space, becoming the first man-made object to leave the solar system. The heliopause is a boundary formed by the solar wind that creates a protective bubble around our solar system, which gradually fades as the spacecraft moves further from the Sun. While exploring the heliopause, Voyager 1 made unexpected findings. Scientists had assumed that the heliopause would gradually merge into interstellar space, but instead, it appeared like a sudden wall. The transition from the solar wind's influence to the forces of interstellar space was more abrupt than expected. As Voyager 1 passed this boundary, it encountered cosmic rays and plasma waves, which indicated that space between the stars is denser than initially believed. This was a surprising revelation, as it was thought that interstellar space would be emptier than the outer regions of the solar system. The data collected by Voyager 1 has dramatically changed our understanding of interstellar space. The plasma density in this region was found to be higher than expected, at about 0.05 particles per cc. The cosmic rays Voyager 1 encountered were more intense than those near Earth, which tells us that the space between stars is filled with high-energy particles. These rays are dangerous and would likely be fatal for any life form outside the protective environment of our solar system. In 2021, there was a moment of excitement at NASA when strange data was reported from Voyager 1's onboard systems. The spacecraft's Attitude Articulation and Control System, AACS, which helps it navigate, reported data that suggested the probe had lost its orientation. Scientists briefly thought the probe had been lost or taken by aliens. However, it was soon discovered that the onboard computer had simply generated some confusing data. Despite this brief confusion, Voyager 1 continues to function as it flies through the interstellar medium. The spacecraft has enough power to keep its scientific instruments running until at least 2025. At that time, Voyager 1 will be about 22.1 billion kilometers from the Sun. The spacecraft is expected to continue sending valuable data for many years to come, expanding our knowledge of the universe and its mysteries. In about 40,000 years, Voyager 1 will reach the star AC plus 793888, located in the Giraffe constellation. This will be a significant milestone in human space exploration, as the spacecraft will travel 1.6 light-years away from Earth. We can only imagine the future discoveries that will be made by Voyager 1 and other space missions. As we continue to push the boundaries of space exploration, it is exciting to think about what new information will help us understand the cosmos and our place in it. The spacecraft's success is a direct result of innovative thinking, hard work, and collaboration from scientists around the world. This ongoing mission reminds us that the universe is full of mysteries yet to be uncovered. The Voyager spacecraft have far exceeded their original expectations and continue to inspire awe in everyone who follows their journey. The Voyager missions have pushed the boundaries of what we know about the universe, and there's still so much more to discover. As Voyager 1 and its twin Voyager 2 continue their missions, they bring back data that will help scientists unravel the mysteries of the interstellar medium and beyond. As the Voyager probes continue their incredible journeys, they are giving us a glimpse of what lies beyond our solar system. Subscribe to our channel and thanks for watching.